How to make her chase you. Unlock the secret to attraction and desire. Attraction is not a game of chance. It's an art rooted in understanding psychology, confidence, and emotional dynamics. If you've ever found yourself chasing a woman's attention, only to be met with lukewarm responses or disinterest, you might be approaching attraction the wrong way. What if you could turn the tables? What if she became the one pursuing you, eagerly waiting for your messages, planning dates, and trying to impress you? This isn't a fantasy. It's entirely possible when you understand what triggers genuine attraction and desire. In this guide, you'll discover powerful strategies that make her chase you, not because you tricked or manipulated her, but because you became the kind of man who naturally draws women in. Let's dive into the secrets of attraction and learn how to unlock her desire. 1. Confidence is key. The foundation of irresistible attraction. Women are naturally drawn to confident men. Confidence isn't about arrogance or boasting about your achievements. It's about self-assurance and the way you carry yourself. Walk with your shoulders back, make eye contact, and speak with clarity and conviction. Confidence signals to a woman that you are secure in who you are, which makes you more attractive. People gravitate toward those who believe in themselves because confidence is contagious. If you respect yourself, others will follow. But what if you don't feel confident? The secret is to act the part until it becomes second nature. Practice standing tall, speaking clearly, and challenging your insecurities. With time, confidence will feel natural, and she will notice. 2. Be mysterious. The power of intrigue. Curiosity is a powerful driver of attraction. If you reveal everything about yourself too soon, there's nothing left for her to discover. A little mystery keeps her intrigued and wanting more. Avoid oversharing in the early stages. Instead of telling her everything about your past, your dreams, and your daily life, leave some details unsaid. Let her ask questions and uncover layers of your personality over time. Mystery triggers the brain's reward system. When we can't predict someone's next move, we become more interested. Keep her guessing, not through mind games, but by letting your life remain dynamic and unpredictable. 3. Focus on your purpose. Passion is magnetic. Men who chase women often come across as needy or directionless. Women are drawn to men who have a clear purpose, whether it's building a business, mastering a skill, or pursuing a meaningful career. When you focus on your goals, you naturally project ambition and drive, which are highly attractive qualities. Imagine two men, one constantly texting and begging for attention, and another who is passionately working on a creative project. The second man seems more appealing because his life has depth and purpose. So, ask yourself, what are your goals? What excites you? When you genuinely engage with your passions, you'll attract people who find that energy irresistible, including her. 4. Embrace emotional independence. The balance of desire. Emotional independence means you don't rely on her validation to feel good about yourself. When you become overly attached or seek constant reassurance, you diminish your attractiveness. Women find men who are secure and self-sufficient far more compelling than those who appear clingy. Give her space and allow the relationship to breathe. When you respect your own time and emotional well-being, she will respect it too. If you always make yourself available, she might take your presence for granted. But when you maintain a balanced emotional state and don't overinvest too soon, she will feel more drawn to you. 5. Master the art of flirting. Playful and subtle. Flirting is a delicate dance. It's about teasing, laughing, and creating a fun, light-hearted atmosphere. Women love men who make them feel good, and flirting is the easiest way to achieve that. The secret to effective flirting is to balance playfulness with genuine interest. Light teasing, playful jokes, and spontaneous remarks create a sense of fun. At the same time, occasional moments of sincerity, when you compliment her intelligence or admire her perspective, deepen the emotional connection. Flirting should feel natural and effortless. If you overthink it, you risk coming across as awkward or rehearsed. Stay present, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the interaction. 6. Maintain a social circle. The halo effect. Humans are social creatures. When a woman sees you interacting positively with others, she subconsciously perceives you as more desirable. This psychological phenomenon, known as the halo effect, suggests that people who are well-liked and socially active are perceived as more attractive. Don't isolate yourself when pursuing someone. Maintain your friendships, participate in social activities, and show that you have a life beyond her. If she sees that others enjoy your company, she'll naturally want to join that circle and be part of your world. 7. Show genuine interest, then pull back. Attraction often thrives on tension. If you give too much attention too soon, she might lose interest. But if you ignore her completely, she may assume you're not interested. The solution is to use the push-pull dynamic. Start by giving her genuine attention, ask thoughtful questions, listen actively, and show interest in her life. Then, pull back slightly by focusing on your own activities. This creates a sense of uncertainty that keeps her engaged. Psychologically, people value what they have to work for. When she feels like she has to earn your time and attention, she'll become more invested in the relationship. 8. Take care of your appearance. Visual attraction matters. Physical appearance isn't everything, but it plays a crucial role in initial attraction. You don't need model-level looks, but grooming, hygiene, and style make a significant impact. Wear well-fitted clothes, maintain a clean haircut, and practice good hygiene. Women appreciate men who take care of themselves, as it reflects self-respect and discipline. Additionally, your body language speaks volumes. Open postures, genuine smiles, and relaxed movements signal confidence and approachability. When you present yourself well, you make it easier for her to be attracted to you. 9. Be unpredictable. Keep the spark alive. Predictability can kill attraction. If she can predict every text, date, and conversation, the relationship might lose its excitement. Women enjoy surprises and spontaneity, as they keep the emotional energy high. Change things up occasionally. Instead of the usual dinner date, suggest an adventurous hike or a spontaneous road trip. Surprise her with a book you mentioned in a previous conversation, or plan an unannounced fun activity. Unpredictability adds an element of thrill. When she never knows what to expect next, she'll stay engaged and curious about you. 10. Develop a magnetic personality. Be the man everyone wants to know. A magnetic personality is a blend of confidence, humor, intelligence, and emotional intelligence. These qualities make you more attractive, not just to women but to people in general. Work on your sense of humor by being playful and light-hearted. Practice active listening to show genuine interest in others. Develop a positive mindset and learn to handle challenges with resilience. Charismatic people have a way of making others feel special. When she sees that you bring positive energy and engaging conversations to every interaction, she'll naturally be drawn to you. The psychology behind why these tactics work. Attraction is deeply rooted in evolutionary psychology. Women are instinctively drawn to men who demonstrate strength, stability, and potential as a reliable partner. Confidence, ambition, emotional independence, and social proof are signals of these traits. Moreover, mystery, unpredictability, and the push-pull dynamic tap into the brain's natural curiosity and reward mechanisms. When she has to work a little harder to get your attention, she values it more. Final thoughts. Be authentic, not manipulative. The goal isn't to manipulate or deceive. These principles work best when you genuinely embody them. Confidence should come from self-belief, mystery from a genuinely interesting life, and flirting from authentic playfulness. When you become a man who is secure, driven, and emotionally independent, you naturally attract attention. Women will chase you, not because you played tricks, but because they recognize your genuine value. So, start today. Focus on yourself, embrace these strategies, and watch as she begins to chase you with genuine excitement and interest. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.